gosh, look at Lil. Hey? Hey.
He's camera shy. Put the camera down.
Yeah, they're good to stop the flies, to be honest. They are quite good. Mind you, so the addict really, I'll need a new one now.
Yeah, well, no, looks alright. We get loads of flies in ours, you know.
Oh, it's brilliant, that is. Because the dogs will come in and out, it doesn't bother them, and then it flaps to again, so it's quite good. You alright, Penny? You're frightened.
Penny and Lily.
And Jimbo.
And Jimbo. Yeah, we like a travelling circus when we go.
It's funny the way
she just jumped straight in. At one time she hated the car, but now she
Alesha,
likes it.
do you have a ringtone on your phone?
To be cut,
But like an actual phone.
So she really does need
Hello?
don't you, Lil?
Hello?
The little devil.
No, actually go into your line.
Yeah, well,
Go
John
to your
doesn't
alarm.
want it, but he likes her the way she is. But I did have a cut.
Go to a classic
He
one.
said, oh, I like her the way she is. I'll just trim around her eyes. She desperately needs a cut,
Bring it.
don't you, Lil? She does, don't you? Little
Turn
girl,
up.
don't you? It's a rough play together. They really get on well, don't you?
No, try it.
Little devil, aren't you?
Have you taken a picture of the dogs?
No, the parrot's interesting.
I don't mind us just
No.
popping in on you.
Oh, it's just lovely. No, we wanted you to come for
Well,
ages.
Gary's been saying for a while.
Yeah.
And he said, well, shall we go
wow.
today? And I said, well, I think
Lovely.
you need to ring first before we go.
So different.
Because, I mean, we're always in.
Turn off. Hello? Okay, go. Go.
Yeah. The thing is, I was going around taking a walk for a long time anyway.
Where's the doggies?
Like for a good 6 months she knew me. Of course, every day I went in, she'd go, man, took a walk. Of course, Anne was moulding her because she knew she'd ask me to have her.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but she's really happy and they play together and they well, John, they torment him to death. He goes, just keep taking him out all the time.
Did he speak?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. As good as gold. You don't need, they know
Hello.
whatsoever they are.
Hello.
What type is this one then?
She's a Shih Tzu,
Boo.
Papillon. Shih Tzu or Papillon.
Because Mum's is a Shih Tzu, but she's all black.
Yeah.
I think some breeds
yeah.
are. Yeah, but she's definitely a lot smaller.
Can you sing a song?
I think she was, apparently when she was born, the others were all smaller than her, but then the others grew up. But she was so small. Yeah, she is. But I tell you what, she's a boss lady. She's
Hello.
a bossy madam.
Jimbo.
And Jimbo will provide.
Oh gosh. Oh, we're travelling now.
Jimbo.
Like a circus now.
Well, Gary wants to come down in the Subaru.
Oh, did you?
But it's only a car.
Oh, right.
And, well, it's gone in for the bumper to be sprayed because somebody bumped me.
Oh.
And having it undersilted and there's a tiny little bit of rust on the wheel arch, so I'm nipping it in the bud. And with someone bumping my bumper, it's just made me have it done. Yeah, well, that's the one that we had problems with the gearbox when we went to Manchester that time.
Was it?
Had that one.
Bye bye.
We've had that out 4 years.
Bye bye.
4 years.
Bye bye.
John said that last time he
Bye bye.
Yeah, I don't notice it before.
Yeah.
Well, you were on the sofa. You monkey.
Come on, Jimbo.
You'll end up getting bitten, Mum.
Oh, he's come down, Michelle. Oh, look at Lola. Oh,
That's what he did to me before he bit me. Nearly.
Lola.
He's gonna bite you, Mum.
Good girl, isn't she? Oh, bless her.
He'll bite you.
Are you recording me?
Why wouldn't I?
Obviously, the live close folks here.
Lola.
I was saying, Mum, before, Jumbo, like loads of times, and you're like, you what, mate?
It's Jimbo. That's why, not Jumbo.
And I said to the kids, we go in
No, Mum, don't.
Bite you.
we are going when you're
I said don't, Mum.
I said to George,
Oi!
Jimbo.
Sing.
Jimbo.
I got money on Nora.
He's just staring at the camera.
That's what is wrong.
Oh, we can see his reflection, can he? Put your glasses closer to him.
No, he might nip them off me. He's got that bit.
Hello.
Hello, Jumbo.
Jimbo.
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 Hello, Jimbo.
Polo. 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 Don't you scare him. Say polo to him. Polo. 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 Polo.
Okay.
Or just an itch.
well, neighbours do us a favour. There you go, there's like £3
Yep, okay.
Jimbo. No. Your mum.
Yeah, Mum.
Crackers and cheese. Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker? Do you want a cracker?
Cracker.
Cracker? Cracker and
Just
cheese?
some crackers.
Cracker? I see her. Oh, he's giving me the evils, you are.
Go down. Why are you copying me?
Cracker?
He will take them off you, you know.
Cracker? Cracker? Cracker?
Why didn't you put them near him? They go really close.
Cracker? Ooh. Ooh. Weird. Cracker?